What do you use for a project management tool?
Asana. Yeah, Dustin got Asana
Uh,
a couple of years ago, and
yep.
or maybe a year ago.
It was like the beginning of the year, and then I moved to ClickUp like 2 months
Yeah.
later. After being in Asana for years, he came. I'm like, well, the party's over. I'm out.
Yeah, we use that. We use Close for a CRM, and the nice thing about Close is it's an open platform, so anybody that has an email account in Close, a seat gets paid for, so not everyone. It's not open to anybody.
Yep.
But they have access to all communications with the client, so they can go in and catch up real fast as to what's going on. You can set up a lot of in there and tasks and whatnot, and then build out pipelines. So we use that on the sales side and customer relationship side. Asana for project management, and you guys know the rest of the tech stack we use. Colorado, all that.
Hey, Dustin, I'm looking at trying to recreate our CRM inside of ClickUp. Is that something you guys have thought about doing?
Yeah, I mean, that's basically, I don't have a CRM. I use ClickUp to manage leads from time to time. I have our version of High Level as well that we use for storing that information. But honestly, I have to do more in the CRM space because I'm gonna have to get an appointment setter or somebody that can just focus on that all day, because it's a big time commitment. I know that there's a girl that has a channel, and I think her name is Layla on YouTube. And she's like talks about ClickUp, like Ed talks about, like we're doing here, like she's all about ClickUp.
Yeah.
And pretty helpful. There's a couple other ones too, but there's one video she did about like using ClickUp as a CRM, and it kind of goes through like a use case that might be helpful. I personally like to keep everything in one place just because it's easier, but I know that like when you're talking to 20 people a week, you're probably gonna have to find something more robust, I think,
That's the challenge, it's not natively a CRM.
It's not natively a CRM. Yeah.
I think you could make it work, but the integration is where I'm trying to simplify everything. Even on the front end, I'll have some things hopefully in the next month to talk about how we intake and take payments and things where we've streamlined it.
I know people use Monday as a CRM.
Yeah.
I would imagine you could pull ClickUp off as a CRM.
I think I've seen actually the video that Dustin was referencing, and I need to go back and watch it. At the time, I was not ready to make the move, but I'm trying to make life as simple as possible, and streamline everything and limit if nothing else, the monthly fees that I pay to everybody for software.
Yep.